Episode 3, Preparing for Meditation. Welcome to Episode 3 of Preparing for Your Meditation Journey. In this segment, I will guide you through the essential steps to prepare your mind and environment for a successful meditation session. Proper preparation is the key to unlocking your full potential during a meditation practice. Creating the right environment is crucial for meditation. So find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, ensuring that there is light and there is a soft, natural light which is coming in, or it could be completely sitting with a very gentle light if you are doing it during the night. You could consider adding some soothing elements like candles or incense if they resonate with you. Your chosen environment should be inviting a sense of tranquility. A comfortable posture is essential for you during meditation, whether you choose to sit on a cushion, a chair, or lie down. Ensure your body is well supported and relaxed. The goal is to be comfortable enough to maintain stillness throughout your meditation without discomfort. Now, next is focus on your breath. Begin with a few deep cleansing breaths in, inhale, exhale to release all the tension and anchor your awareness in the present moment. As you settle into your chosen posture, allow your breath to become natural and unforced. Set a clear intention for your meditation. Like I always say, Sankalp is very essential for any activity that you do. So ask yourself, why are you meditating today? Is it to reduce stress, to cultivate mindfulness, or to explore inner peace? Your intention will guide you in your practice and help you stay focused. Managing your time is essential. Deciding beforehand how long you'll want to meditate, whether it is 10 minutes or half an hour or 40 minutes, having a predetermined duration ensures that you won't constantly be checking your clock and allows you to have a fully immersive experience. Distractions can disrupt even the most experienced meditators. So make sure that you turn off your phone or keep it on silent so that you are not disturbed. Inform your household members that you are in the process of meditating and to minimize the disruptions. Remember, creating a distraction free environment is a form of self care. It allows you to go into your zone completely. So, before diving into your meditation, take a moment to quickly perform a body scan. Start from your toes and work your way up, checking for any tension or discomfort. Gently tighten those areas and release, and you will find that your flow of energy in your body is completely in sync with your breath. Now you are ready to begin your meditation. Whether you are using any other specific techniques like mindfulness or observing your breath, you can actually be open and allow your mind and your heart to go with the flow of whatever you wish to do, because that's part of your journey. As your meditation session nears an end, gradually transition back to your everyday awareness. Take a few deep breaths in, wriggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes and reflect on your experience. Usually, I keep a pen and a paper with me just in case I'm getting some messages, and that's a form of intuitive messaging. So, allow your body to give you that answer and write it down. You could also start the meditation by asking a particular question for which you might receive a one page answer as well. So, thank you for joining me in this episode, Preparing for Meditation. Remember, preparation is the cornerstone for a successful meditation practice. And by creating that right environment and setting clear intentions and minimizing your distractions, you pave the way for very profound and enriching meditation experience. So all the best in your journey. Start meditating.